In this video, we will guide you through how to install BlueStacks in Windows 11 on your PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, you can just go to the description and pinned comment of this video and click on the link. This is an affiliate link that supports the channel at no extra cost to you. And after clicking on the link, you will land in this website. Now, here, just go ahead and click on download BlueStacks and your setup exe file will be downloaded successfully. Now, just go ahead and click on the setup exe file to run the setup wizard. Just click on yes if prompted, and now your BlueStacks setup wizard will appear. You can change the installation directory. Just go ahead and click on this change icon, and here click on change folder. Now select any folder that you want to install your BlueStacks to. So in my case, I want to set it to local disk D, and after selecting a folder, just go ahead and click on OK. And once that you have done that, you can just click on the back, and here just read through the terms and conditions, and after reading, just go ahead and click on agree and install. Now BlueStacks will start downloading. Just wait while BlueStacks downloads and installs the required files. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and your system performance. And after everything is finished, BlueStacks will launch automatically. The first launch may take a bit longer because it is setting up the Android environment for the first time. So be patient and just wait for the BlueStacks to open automatically. And here you can see the BlueStacks is opening, and here it is. I'm just gonna go ahead and maximize the window by just clicking on maximize, and now here we are in the BlueStacks dashboard. Now to go to the home of the BlueStacks, just click on the home icon at the top of the screen and you will successfully land in the home page. Now go to system apps, and here you have camera settings, Chrome, media manager and Play Store. If you want to download any apps, you can just go to the Play Store and log in or sign in with your Google account and start downloading your Android apps in your Windows. And that's it. That's how you install BlueStacks in Windows 11 on your PC or laptop. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.